Good day everyone. I will be presenting Malaysia Airlines company overview. Malaysia Airlines (MAS) is recognized as the national flag carrier of Malaysia operating in the airline industries. It provides both passenger and cargo air transportation services globally with its primary hub at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. It competes in both full service and regional aviation markets. Malaysia Airlines is wholly owned by Malaysia Aviation Group (MAG), a state-owned aviation holding company under Khazanah Nasional Berhad, the sovereignty wealth fund of Malaysian government. In order to allow synergy, calibrations, teamwork among subsidiaries, MAG as the parent company also owns two subsidiary airlines. 1. Firefly is a regional short-haul carrier, operate domestic flights within Malaysia and neighboring countries including Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore and China. 2. MASWING to provide Ulu air services in East Malaysia, mainly to cater the needs of travelers in Sarawak and Sabah. Besides, Malaysia Airlines also owns a freighter unit, MAS Cargo, to provide scheduled and charter air cargo services. It also has the religious charter subsidiaries, OBMarApr, specializing in Hajj and Umrah travel. The key business activity of Malaysia Airlines are as follows. 1. Airline operations which operate passengers and cargo air transportation across a global network of destinations with a hub at KLIA. This involves managing the fleet, crew assignments, technical problems, flight schedules, passenger services, and in-flight offerings. Number 2, loyalty and travel solutions. It offers a frequent flyer loyalty program called Enrich. This allows customers to earn Enrich points which can redeem for lifestyle rewards, priority services, promotion privilege, and travel experience both on ground or in the air. Another offer is the travel planning app like Journeyfy, the integrate one-stop travel and lifestyle digital platform for your holiday booking and travel planning, all in one app. Then we have the tour holiday packages through MH Holidays, whereby you discover the benefit of booking flight and hotel packages and enjoy hassle-free vacation experience. 3. Aviation services which include air cargo operations and warehousing, logistics, and cargo terminal operations. Besides, we also provide maintenance, repair, overhaul facilities that carry out aircraft line and base maintenance activities. With all these key activities, Malaysia Airlines is moving towards its vision of being Asia's leading travel airline, delivering customized end-to-end solutions to all. That ends my presentation. I will pass to the next presenter, Mr. Cheah. Thank you.
Thank you, Lauren, for the company overview. Good evening to all those presenters. My name is Cheah. Now I will talk about the team dynamic at Malaysia Airlines, also known as MAS. MAS use the hybrid team structure. There are three main types of group. First is a command group, such as the captain, co-pilot, and the crew member. They follow the clear change of command. Second, task group, similar to emergency response unit. Those group was formed only to carry out short-term mission. Third, functional group to support the long-term operation, such as engineer and management team. This structure helps MAS to clearly assign role and improve teamwork among departments. Now let's look at the development of the MAS team. They follow 5 steps. First step is forming. Team members get to know each other. Next step is storming. Some conflict is likely to occur, especially in the stressful job like in airline industry. Next step is norming. Training and simulation help everyone work better together. Next step is performing. The group perform well and respond well to an emergency. Last step is urgening. The temporary goal depend after complete the mission. Strong leadership can help team to navigate those steps. Leaderships and team performance topic. Must use a transformational leadership style. This means the manager support their staff and listen to feedback. One example is phenomenal suggest system, where staff can safely share ideas. The leadership also promote open communication. Departments have regularly meetings to share update latest development and improve collaboration. Most importantly, must promote a family culture. They call it Must Family, where teamwork, respect, and care are very important. This leadership have improved employee engagement, team morale, and help Must stand stronger during difficult times like the MH370 and MH17. In shortly, strong group dynamic and leadership are key Must recovery and long-term success.
Then good day to everyone. My name is Ang Su Fong, and today I will be presenting on how employee perceptions and attitude affects the organizational performance. Let's begin with the concept of perceptions. Perception is a complicated interaction of selections, organization, and interpretations of stimulation from the environments. Perception can shape employee behavior and can significantly impact organizational performance in several ways. First, trust and morals. When employees perceive the organization as fair, transparent, and supportive, their trust and morale will increase. Second, organizational cultures. A positive perception can build healthy and friendly working environments. Third, change of management, such as restructuring or the implementation of new policy, can directly influence whether employees accept or resist these changes. Next, let's talk about attitude. Attitude refers to the positive or negative evaluations of an object, person, place, or situation whose influence behaviors. Employee attitude directly affects productivity, customer experience, and team dynamics. A positive attitude enhances motivation, creativity, and efficiency. Employees with a positive attitude are more likely to provide excellent service and promote cooperation, reduce conflicts, and build stronger teams. Let's apply this to Malaysia Airline as a service driver industry in Malaysia. Malaysia Airline has faced major challenges over the years, including incidents MH370 and MH17, some ongoing financial, major restructuring, and leadership change. All these events emphasize employee perceptions and reputational impacts. Theories like halo effect and stereotyping explain changes in employee perceptions and attitudes. Malaysia Airlines staff perceptions of the job insecurity due to financial impact and airline stability. The negative publicity around Malaysia Airlines affects how employees view their own roles, departments, or the leaderships. Employees from the Malaysia Airlines stereotypes as working for an unsafe airline. All this can lead to discriminations or judgment in professional settings. To respond on this, Malaysia Airlines restructuring effort in improving internal communication and creating a culture focused to rebuild employee trust. Human resource also provide counseling and mental health support for staff. Leadership have to actively manage emotional follow-up and correct misperceptions. That's all for my presentation today. I will pass to my next presenter, Ms. Ting Chomi, for the next issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Sofong. Good day to Professor Jerome and my beloved team members. Now, I'm talking about the Malaysia Airlines crisis, MH370 and MH17, and how organizational behavior theories can help to explain the public relation and the challenges that the company faced. In March 2014, MH370 went missing, disappeared with 239 people on board. Just a few months later, in July 2014, same year, MH17 was shot down over Auckland, killing 298 people. These two tragedies happening so close together within a year deeply shocked the world and badly damaged Malaysia Airlines reputation. Now, look how people react and how theory help explain on it. Selective perception. People focus only on the negative and ignore improvement the airline try to make. Because both incidents happen to the same airline, they start to see Malaysia Airlines so completely unsafe. The halo effect also play a role. One or two bad events made people assume everything about the airline was bad. Safety, service, even the food, one negative, equal to all negative. There were also stereotypes. Some people assumed the airline was not so good as Western because this is from Southern Asia, which is unfair and not based on actual performance. Next is construct effect. MH370 was mysterious. It just disappeared or missing. That made it more terrifying than MH17, where at least the cause was known. That mystery made MH370 stick in people's mind longer and made them feel more fearful. Projection also happened. People felt scared and helpless, so they project those feelings onto the airline, blaming it even if it was not fully at fault. Because all of these, many found of a bad inspiration of Malaysia Airlines. Even after the airline made changes, people still avoid flying with them. First inspiration was hard to change, especially after something emotional like this. Now, from an organizational point of view, we can look at a team development, especially how emergency teams, investigators, and airline staff work together during this crisis. Using the forming, storming, norming, performing, and urgent model. First, teams will quickly form to handle the crisis. Then come to storming, stress, confusion, and pressure from the public and media. Over time, they began norming, working better together. Then performing, actually carrying out the search, handling families and giving press update. And finally, a journey, wrapping things up once their role were done. This model helps us understand how people, different teams from pilot to rescue workers to government officials had to adapt fast and work under extreme pressure. So in short, those theories like social construction, groupthink, and team development help us understand how the public react, how emotions spread, and how teams try to manage a very difficult situation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ting Chomi. I'm the last presenter. My name is Kevin Chia. I'm going to present the recommendation and conclusion for MAS. For the recommendation for MAS, we recommend solve the social lifting and roof conflict. In view of complexity of airline operation, Malaysia Airlines address issues such as social lifting through the following method. 1. Clear role expectation. Clear job description helps maintain accountability. And number 2, performance monitoring system. Consistent feedback and peer review ensure fairness and efficiency. In terms of role conflict, must emphasize structured communication channel to resolve issues of overlapping responsibility or missetting expectation between departments. And for the conclusion, for Mars Airline, rebuilding and sustaining positive employee perception and attitude is critical, not only for internal alignment but also for the public trust, safety, and long-term business performance. Continued investment in employee engagement, transparent leadership, and strong organization culture is essential for the airline's success and resilience in competitive global industry. Mars organization success stems from a blend of strong personal accountability and cooperative culture, effective team design, and adaptive leadership. In group dynamics are systematically supported by modern organization behavior theory, emphasizing interpersonal relationship and team effectiveness as key drive of sustained operation excellence. Thank you very much.